everyone, it's so good to see you today.
Would you like to join us on our dance adventure?
Let's ask the Wonderwall to send us some clues. That way we can guess what our dance adventure will be.
Sounds like a good plan. Hi Wonderwall! Would you please send us some clues for our dance adventure today?
Our basket!
I wonder what's in here today.
Me too. Let's take a look.
I already see some cool stuff in here. What's this? A telescope? Hello. Ah! You're huge!
Let's see what else we've got. Lots and lots of jewellery. There's lots of reasons we could use these.
What else is in here? An old map? It's upside down.
There we go.
Let's go down here, around here, up there. X marks the spot.
I wonder what that could be for. I think I know what we're going to be with this last hint.
Really? Oh yes, of course.
It's an eye patch. Have you guessed what we're going to be?
I think I know now. Pirates! So we're going to be pirates. Let's think.
What do pirates do?
Oh, I have one. Searching for treasure is a must when you're a pirate.
Let's do that then. Let's use our transfer of weights to look for some treasure. We point our foot, then we demi-plie and point. Can't see any treasure here.
Nope.
We demi-plie and point.
None over here either.
Let's try again. We plie and point.
Still can't see anything.
Me neither. Plie and point.
I see something.
Let's go find it.
So let's use our marching to go and find the treasure. Feet together. Now we lift our big toe up slowly and down. And slowly and down. We're getting closer. Let's go a little faster now. Up and down. And up and down. Let's keep going. And up and down. We see the treasure, but it's tied to a rope.
We jump, 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 clap. Now reach for your sword. We're going to cut the ropes and celebrate as we do it.
Oi!
We've cut the ropes, so now we've got to clear them out of the way.
So we use our risers to rise up and pull the ropes down. Let's do it again. Rise up. Don't forget your demi-plies. That's it, everybody. Good job. Last one. Look what a mess we've made. We really need to tidy this up.
So to clean up the mess, we have to roll the ropes up. Use your demi-plie as you go down. Great job, everyone. One more. All cleaned up now.
Great job, everyone. Let's celebrate. We jump, 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 clap. Grab your sword and oi! I'm so happy. Let's do it again. We jump, 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 clap. Grab our sword and oi! It's time to be sneaky.
Let's see if we can get away with the treasure without anybody noticing us. So we put our hands behind our backs and let's tiptoe away. Step to the side, step in front, step to the side, and jump together.
Oh, that was close.
They almost caught us. Let's see if we can get away to the other side. We step to the side, step in front, step to the side, and jump together.
Maybe we should just bury it and come back later. Let's get our muscles ready for digging. We step to the side, flex one foot up, and tap our muscles. Now to the other side. Tap, tap. Now one hand on hip and show off your muscles. Now this time, burn.
Let's dig this hole. We need to make a big enough hole to hide all of our treasure. We're going to do 3 digs. Ready? Lunge down and back up. And down and back up. One more. Down and back up. Put your feet together. Whew, that was a lot of work.
Let's just make sure nobody saw where we buried it. Let's check this way. We step to the side, step in front, step to the side, and did anyone see us? So let's check the other way. We step to the side, we step in front, step to the side, and oh no, we almost got caught.
Let's get out of here now. Now where's that ship of ours? Let's go and look for it. We demi-plie and point. It's not over there. Demi-plie and point. Not there either. We demi-plie and point. Over here now? Nope. We demi-plie and point. I see it.
Let's use our marching to go back to it. We march up and down, up and down. A little faster now. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up and down. Fantastic! We got away! Let's celebrate!
We jump, jump, jump. Up, reach for your sword.
Oi!
Let's sail off into the sunset.
So we kick our bottoms 6 times as we turn around. Then jump our feet together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump together. Now jump your feet apart as we say, Oi! Thanks, Wonderwall!
We can't wait to see you on another one of our adventures.
Bye for now and see you soon!